in this video I will show you how to update TikTok on Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between updating your TikTok on Android and updating your TikTok on iPhone. It is the same process, but the different thing it is that on Android you are downloading and updating that application on your Google Play Store, and on iPhone it is not on that site. But the process is the same. Go on the search box and then type for TikTok, go click on it and simplify. If you go on that application and you have that option for update, you need just simply to tap on that green light section, and it needs to take some time because it is verified by PlayProtect, which is the most safest site, which is getting up into your phone, scanning your phone, take it over all over the risk to get up and take over, for example, viruses or some sites which are not illegal for your phone. Now you need to wait to get a full session on this TikTok, and if you take over the full site, you're gonna get the last and version setup and set up on TikTok to get up on that file. Now if we take up some seconds, and we're gonna got the latest version of TikTok, which we have updated right before, but as you can see it needs to take some time to take that possibility of risks, which is verified by PlayProtect. It is 27%, and right now it will be done.